Let's continue with p block elements, allotropes of carbon. Carbon exhibits many allotropic forms, both crystalline as well as amorphous. Diamond and graphite are two well-known crystalline forms of carbon. In 1985, third form of carbon known as fullerene was discovered by H. W. Kroto, E. Smelly, and R. F. Kerr. First, we are taking diamond. It has crystalline lattice. In diamond, each carbon undergoes sp3 hybridization and linked to 4 other carbon atoms by using hybridized orbitals in tetrahedral fashion and leads to the formation of octahedral structure. It is very difficult to break extended covalent bonding, and therefore diamond is the hardest substance on the earth. It is used as abrasive for sharpening, hard tools, in making dyes, and in manufacture of tungsten filaments for electrical light bulbs. Carbon-carbon bond length in diamond is 154 picometer, which is the bond length of single bond. The structure extends in space and produces a rigid three-dimensional network of carbon atoms, and in this structure directional covalent bonds are present. So each carbon is tetrahedrally bonded and leads to the formation of octahedral structure. Diamond is covalent, yet it has high melting point. Why? Diamond has three-dimensional network involving strong carbon-carbon bonds which are difficult to break and in turn has high melting point. Next we are taking graphite. Graphite has layered structure as shown in diagram, held together by van der Waals forces, and distance between the layer is 340 picometer, and that is the reason that graphite is soft and slippery. Each layer is composed of planar hexagonal rings of carbon atoms. Carbon-carbon bond length within the layer is 141 picometer, which is smaller than that of diamond. Each carbon atom in hexagonal ring undergoes sp2 hybridization and makes 3 sigma bonds with 3 neighboring carbon atoms. Fourth electron forms pi bond. The electrons are delocalized over the whole sheet. Electrons are mobile and therefore graphite can conduct electricity along the sheet. Graphite cleaves easily between the layers and therefore it is soft and slippery. For this reason, graphite is used as dry lubricant in machines and running at high temperature because it has high melting point, whereas oils cannot be used as lubricant in such machines. Fullerenes. Fullerenes are made by heating of graphite in electric arc in the presence of inert gases such as helium or argon, so that carbon does not get oxidized. The sooty material formed by condensation of the vapors of the general formula CN, small molecules consist of mainly C60 with smaller quantity of C70, and traces of fullerene consist of even number of carbon atoms up to 350 or above. Fullerenes are the only purest form of carbon because they have smooth structure without having dangling bonds, and impurities cannot enter them. Fullerene have cage-like structure, cage-like molecules. C60 molecule has shape like soccer ball and called Buckminster fullerene. It has 26-membered ring as shown in this diagram. This has Buckminster fullerene has football-like or soccer ball-like structure. It consists of 26-membered ring and 12 5-membered rings. A 6-membered ring is fused with 6-membered ring or 5-membered ring, but a 5-membered ring can only fuse with 6-membered rings. All the carbon atoms are equal and they undergo sp2 hybridization. The remaining electron at each carbon is delocalized in the molecular orbital, which in turn gives aromatic character to the molecule. Spherical fullerenes are also called buckyballs in short. It is important to know that thermodynamically graphite is most stable allotrope of carbon. That's why we take its heat of formation or enthalpy of formation of 0. Diamond has heat of formation equal to 1.9 kilojoules per mole, whereas fullerene C60 has 38.1 kilojoules per mole respectively. Other forms of elemental carbon like carbon black, coke and charcoal are all impure forms of graphite or fullerenes. Carbon black is obtained by burning hydrocarbons in limited supply of air. It is commonly called kajal. It is also used in printing inks. It is used as a filler in rubber to make it hard. Charcoal and coke are obtained by heating wood or coal respectively at high temperature in absence of air. Coke is used as reducing agent, charcoal is used in gas masks, and animal charcoal is used for removing unwanted color. Uses of carbon: graphite fibers embedded in plastic materials form high-strength, lightweight composites. These composites are used in products such as tennis rackets, fishing rods, aircrafts, and canoes. Being a good conductor, graphite is used for electrodes in batteries and industrial electrolysis. Crucibles made up of graphite are inert to dilute acids and alkali and can withstand high temperature. Being highly porous, activated charcoal is used in absorbing poisonous gases and also used in water filters to remove organic contaminators and in air conditioning systems to control odors. Carbon black is used as black pigment in blacking, as a filler in automobile tires. Coke is used as fuel and largely as reducing agent in metallurgical processes. Diamond is precious stone and used in jewelry. It is measured in carat. 1 carat is equal to 200 milligrams. In gold, carat determines purity. 24 karat gold means 100% gold, whereas 1 carat means 200 milligram. Here, carat determines the mass of the diamond. Purity is determined by color, clarity, cut, etc.